scientific method in small groups. Okay? So, if you can't hold it together though, you gotta go. Okay? Yes.
Are we gonna do that experiment where we set the chips down on a piece of ink and you see how much grease it is?
Maybe so. Would that be a bad thing? No. Okay. Don't.
Lights up. No. Okay. We're gonna do an experiment using the scientific method. We're gonna be using chips, and we're gonna see which brands of chips are the greasiest. All right. And if you guys do a good job, have good time management, work well with your group, you'll get to eat your choice of chips at the end. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is divide into groups, and each group's gonna sit at a table. So our first group is Georgia, Mackenzie, Sean, and Caleb. So you guys all come right here. Oh wait, and everybody needs a pencil.
Take your second one.
Alright. Mia, Dakota, Ramal, and Justin. Right here. Well, it says it on the board. Alright, Xavier, Zit, Lolly, Jesus, and Sam, you guys are over here. Brianna, Janice, Ryan, Teddy. You guys Hey, Zeus! Alright. What should be over there? Wait, where's the Zeus at? He's not here right now. Alright, is everybody in your group? Okay, everybody should be sitting down. Alright. Everybody sit down. Okay. Alright, so you guys all see that you have different roles. If you are the project manager, raise your hand. Okay, you're going to be making sure everybody does their job, and if someone needs help, you're going to help them out. If you're the note taker, raise your hand. You need this yellow sheet of paper. So if you're the note taker, get this yellow sheet of paper, and you're going to be filling it out. If you are the equipment manager, your job is to get the materials, and you're going to perform the experiment. If you are the data recorder, you need this blue sheet, Sam. So everybody hold your blue sheet up if you're the data recorder. Teddy. Okay. Alright. Okay, everybody sit down. Ramal, so you can see me. No. Sam, Jesus. Sit down. We're going to go over the yellow sheet, the scientific method. So the first thing on there, it says the problem or the question. So what's our question in this experiment, Brianna?
What is the greasiest? What chip is the greasiest?
Good. So if you're the note taker, you need to write that down on your yellow sheet. What chip brand is the greasiest? All right. Everyone got it?
No.
No. How do you spell greasy? G-R-E-A-S-I-E-S-T. G-R-E-A-S-I-E-S-T. what is my second step on the yellow sheet say?
Observation.
Observations. So what are some observations we can make about our chips that'll help us with our hypothesis or prediction? So these are observations we can make without even opening our bags. What do you think?
That, like, on the back, where it says, the fat.
The calories and the fat. Good. So how could the calories and the fat help predict how greasy it's going to be?
Because the more fat, probably, like, because of chicken so much, like, the more the fatter it is, the more it is.
Right. The greasier it is. Usually if it has more fat and calories, it's more greasy.
It's, on the,
If you are the note taker, the data reporter is going to fill out the observations. So if you're the data reporter, I want you to have your bag of chips in your hand. Or if you're the data reporter, you need to have the bag of chips in your hand. All right, kettle cooked original. What is your serving size? Oh, okay. Sam, what's your serving size? That'll help us later.
16 chips.
Okay. What? How many calories per serving?
160.
Okay. And what's the total fat grams?
9 grams.
Okay. And that's like not the saturated, but the total?
Yes, total.
If you have kettle cooked reduced fat. All right, Caleb, serving size.
Serving size, about 18 chips.
Okay. The calories.
Calories, 140.
The fat grams. What? 15?
50. That's the calories.
So yours is 6. All right, Pringles. What's your serving size? How many chips does it say? 16. How many calories? 115. Grams of fat?
It's supposed to say total fat.
And if you're the data reporter, what? Nice. If you're the data reporter, you should be putting all of this on your blue sheet. All right, Lay's original. All right, serving size.
15 chips.
Okay. Calories.
160.
Grams of fat.
10.
And Lay's oven baked. Serving size.
18.
18. Calories.
120.
That's the lowest one. Grams of fat.
2 grams.
Only 2.
They want.
No, they're not for this.
All right. So. With this information, you as a group are going to come up with a hypothesis over which brand of chips is going to have the most grease, okay? So on your yellow sheet, you guys are going to talk about it and make a hypothesis. It should say which brand of chip you think will be the greasiest and why, okay? So the note taker should be writing this on the yellow sheet. You have to say why. More grams fat.
The highest calories.
Yeah, just pick one.
The one that is 150. Yeah,
So you have to say your equipment manager, you need to be following along because this is your job. If you're the note taker, you're going to be writing down the materials that we need and the procedure or the steps that we take. So it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just the basic steps. Alright? So, if you're the equipment manager, guys, if you're the equipment manager, you're going to come up, get a piece of graph paper and a piece of wax paper. You're going to, not yet though, not yet, I'm showing you guys. And then you're going to, can I see your chips? You're going to take your chips and count your serving size of how many chips you have. So yours is 16, so you'll put 16 chips on top of your graph paper, okay? Everybody got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then you'll put your wax paper on top of your graph paper, but there's going to be chips underneath here. Then you'll raise your hand when you have all that done, because I only have 3 rolling pins. And you're going to roll your chips like this until they're completely crushed up. Okay, it shouldn't take very long, so probably like 10 times. Then you're going to take your chips over to the trash can, throw them away, okay? But no, because they're going to be crushed, but you guys can have them later if you get done on time. Then if you're a data recorder, you're going to take this graph paper, it's going to have grease all over it. You're going to walk to the window. Well, you're going to get tape first. You're going to tape it to the window, and you're going to count how many squares have grease on them, okay? If you have the blue sheet in front of you, there's a picture and it shows you that to count a square, it has to be at least half full, okay? You guys got it?
I see.
And then you're going to write it down on your data sheet, and then after that you're going to find the grease squares per chip, which is your grease squares divided by your serving size. That's the data recorder's job. And the data recorder needs to go up and record their group's data on the board so everybody can see. And then once everyone's done, you're going to write your conclusion on whether your hypothesis was correct. Okay? Has everybody got it? You guys have any questions?
No.
If you're the note taker, you're supposed to be writing it down. What I just